I'd like to talk with you about one of the frameworks that I use in my clinical practice and in all of my teaching, and I call it the 7 systems of health. The 7 systems were originally created based on a fusion of looking at Eastern traditions, more of a holistic approach to the body, as well as a medical connection to physiology. So it's a way that I can integrate psychology, lifestyle, food, the body, and bring it all together into one. Because I was feeling that just having a medical symptom questionnaire and just focusing on certain symptoms didn't give me the broader picture all at once. So the 7 systems of health are based on certain organs of the body and then correlate to certain food and therapeutic modalities that then help those systems of health. One of the ways that I can see whether or not my patients have imbalances in each of these 7 systems is to do the spectrum quiz. This is a quiz that I have in my books and in my materials. You can easily find it online on my website. You have the patient do it. It's quite extensive. It requires about 15 to 20 minutes of time to go through it. And at the end of that, you can see which of the 7 systems are out of balance. And I've collected thousands of data inputs from people that have done this questionnaire. And typically what you're going to find is that there are a variety of different systems that can be out of balance. I tend to find that it's typically the red and the yellow systems that are out of alignment, which correspond to the immune system and to digestion. But there are also some of the other systems that are also very prevalent in other people, and sometimes it shifts. So I like to have patients do the spectrum quiz every time they come to see me because chances are there have been some shifts, there have been some changes in movement, and I want to see now where that imbalance is tracking to.